Yep, I know about the struggle, cause see, I was there. I know about the struggle. I grew up without a dad. I grew up without my mom. I grew up on welfare. I know about the struggle. I was molested at 10 years old. I know about the struggle. I know what it feel like to have all the lights cut off and all you can do is just light candles so you can see around the house at night. I know what the struggle feel like. I know what the struggle feel like when I had to sit right there with my grandmother and we on welfare and we gotta eat government cheese. I know what the struggle feel like. And if it was easy, everybody would do it. I'm saying to you, lay hold of the greatness that's on the inside of you. Lay hold of the things that you believe in and that you want to see succeed and that you want to be successful at. I'm telling you to lay hold of it because greatness is on the inside of you. And never let anybody else's opinion be bigger than your own. Understand the struggles that you go through are helping you to get to your destiny. The adversity and hills that you have to run, the mountains that you have to climb, it's taking you to greatness. So I'm telling you, don't run from the adversity. Don't run from the problem. Because if you don't face it, you can become it. It's gonna make you stronger. It's gonna make you better. You gotta get out of your comfort zone in order for you to be great. Nothing great comes from a comfort zone. Yep, it's a beautiful place, but nothing great comes from there. So there has to be something that is going to make you want to get to your destiny or the greatness that you have on the inside of you. So I'm challenging you right now. What are you going to face? What problems are you going to face? What adversity are you going to face? What mountain are you going to move? Face the problem and face the day. Because what you want, you can soon become. They didn't know that you had that hustle in you. They didn't know that the beast that you were becoming, they wasn't doing anything but add more fuel to the fire. They didn't understand what it felt like to struggle. They didn't understand that the competition was you. All the haters that went against you, all the people that doubted you, they didn't know who you was becoming. They didn't understand you control your destiny. When you wake up in the morning and you look in the mirror, your competition is you. It ain't nobody else, it's you. I could have gave up when I got molested when I was 10 years old. I could have gave up and did woe is me and became a victim when my father wasn't there. I could have gave up when I was raised by my grandmother and everybody gave up on me. I could have gave up when the school system kicked me out and told me that I'd never be anything. My 8th grade teacher told me I wouldn't be anything. And now I understand that what's on the inside of me has become